away now from domestic earnings and talk about the big international corporate earnings. We're talking about Amazon. Remember, just yesterday, Jeff Bezos had become the world's richest man. It didn't last very long, and that's because the street has punished Bezos and Amazon for what has been a disappointing quarter. Now, the kind of disappointment has largely come in on account of Amazon's international business. In fact, profits were down nearly 77%. And what does the India story say when it comes to Amazon's international operations? Because remember, Bezos is making a large bet on India. Let's go across now to Priya Sheth. Priya, take us through the India impact on Amazon's international operations.
Well, absolutely. India is certainly proving to be a cash guzzler for Amazon, but the company is not planning to scale down on spending just yet. Now, just take a look at the numbers that you see on your screen and you'll know how serious the problem is. In the June quarter of 2016, Amazon's international operational losses were at $135 million, but in the June quarter this year, losses widened to over $700 million. But despite this, Amazon remains bullish on India. In fact, Amazon's chief financial officer told investors in a conference call, and I quote, "We continue to invest in India. We are very hopeful with the progress we have made with sellers and customers alike in India, and we see great momentum and success there. So we continue to invest, and we have some of our best people in that business," end quote. Amazon is locked in an intense battle with Flipkart in India, and with Flipkart closing in on buying Snapdeal and with additional funding from SoftBank, expectations are that India will become the new battleground between Jeff Bezos and Masayoshi Son. Just last year, in fact, Amazon promised to invest a whopping $5 billion into India, so Amazon is unlikely to cut back on its India investments just yet.